Join me as I take on the challenge of making money online fast in 2025. Can I figure out the best strategies and actually pull it off? Making money online quickly is a hot topic for many of you out there, and I know why. Who wouldn't want to earn some extra cash from the comfort of their own home, right? The idea of making money online fast is super appealing, especially with the rise of the digital age. But let's be real, we've all been there, searching for that one magic solution to make a ton of money online, only to find ourselves stuck in a sea of scams and get-rich-quick schemes. It's like, how do you even know what's legit and what's not? And then there's the information overload. You end up with so many tabs open on your browser trying to research the best methods, but it's hard to know where to start. And have you ever felt like you're just not making any progress? You're putting in the effort, but the money just isn't coming in. It's frustrating, to say the least. You start to wonder if it's all just a myth, if making money online is just a pipe dream. These are just a few of the challenges people face when trying to make money online. But here's the thing, there are legitimate ways to do it, you just need to know where to look. So let's dive into some actual strategies that can help you make money online fast. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to start making money online. If you've got a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, or social media management, you can offer it up on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Affiliate marketing is another one. You promote someone else's product, and when someone buys it through your link, you get a commission. And then there's e-commerce. You can start your own online store and sell products that you're passionate about. The key to success with any of these methods is to stay focused and keep at it. Don't expect to make a ton of money overnight, but with persistence and hard work, you can start to see some real results. It's also super important to do your research and choose a method that genuinely interests you. When you're doing something you love, it doesn't feel like work. I've got a little secret that I want to share with you. It's a game changer. One of the most powerful things you can do to boost your online income is to build an email list. It's like having a direct line to your audience, and it can seriously increase your earning potential. Imagine being able to share your content, products, or services with a group of people who are already interested in what you have to offer. The best part is, you don't need a huge following to start making money online. Even with just a small audience, you can start to see some real results. And as your audience grows, so does your potential income. So, don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results, just keep pushing forward. To wrap things up, making money online fast in 2025 is definitely possible, but it requires some effort and dedication. The key takeaways are to stay focused, choose a method that you're passionate about, and be consistent. Don't be afraid to try new things and adjust your strategy as you go. So, what do you think about making money online? Have you had any experiences, good or bad? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more tips on online income, be sure to check out my other video on how to make money with affiliate marketing.